Today I show you how to use the split screen function in Android. This is the Sony Xperia 1 Mark V Android 14. I'm not sure on which phones this works, but it's worth trying on your phone to see if you can use this, because it's a really useful function. It could be very useful to have one window, one app on the top, one app on the bottom. So if you have these windows, I have a few apps here. I have a note-taking app and I can switch between apps like that. So I could go from one app to the other, and also there is a bonus tip here. If you double tap on the switch app button, it will actually switch immediately. So you don't have to press and then select the window and then go like this. You don't have to do it like this. You can do double tap. It's like Alt tab in Windows. It goes back to the previous window. But if I want to have two windows, if I want to have them open at the same time, I can still do it like that. So you have this option here. Once you press this, you might have this on the other side, but it's the same option. When you are in this multi-window switch, here you can close all the windows, but you can also use the multi-window switch. And what this does, you can choose a view where you have, for example, you have one app on top, another app on the bottom, and you just choose from the open apps, or you open a new app. You can choose between open apps or open a new app. And you have to, when you're finished, you press done here. You can choose how to arrange them here. This is also a few options. I guess if you want to combine them. So if you notice now, it already pre-selected for me. So I have two windows here. On top it's YouTube, and then the notes on the bottom here. And I can choose multi-window switch again. And I could say on the top I want the website, and on the bottom of the screen I want the notes. And once I have to press done here, or just press on the window there. But once I press done, or in the window, you can also, I can rearrange the size of the window. So if I want the note app to be very small on the bottom of the screen, that's also an option. I can copy some text from here, for example. Copy the text, go to the note, and you see it's dynamically expanding. Paste it, go back to the website, copy some other text. Don't know why it says that. There is internet, so okay, other text I can have here. So whenever there is a need for the keyboard, it will pop up automatically here, and I can adjust this. When I'm in the app, I have to press on the middle or the other one to adjust here. When I'm in the app here, I can press on the other app to go to adjusting mode. And this is, and actually I can even close the app like that. Actually not close it, but just remove it from the multi-window switch. Because the app is still there. It's just not in this multi-window. And I can go back to having it like that. Just a small app on the bottom. So I can type something here. So I could type something on the bottom here, on the bottom window, and then go to the top on this website, and I go to the search, and it will show me the keyboard. For example, Volkswagen. And it gives me the search on top, and then I have the notes up here on the bottom. This can be any combination of apps. So I can have here the YouTube app, for example. I could watch a video. I could watch a video while reading some article. I mean, if you wanted to, you can do this with the sound.
Just hit it.
So you have your phone, you watch a YouTube video and you browse the internet. If you don't have YouTube Premium, this is a way to, you can watch a YouTube video and also you can watch a YouTube video at the same time while browsing the internet. This is some option. That's how the video looks like on the bottom of the screen. And I can make it bigger to include more. Something like this. Can go to the actual channel. It's dynamically adjusting. When you rearrange the windows, it will adjust to the screen size, so that's pretty interesting. And when you want to close it, you can just swipe it down or up. For example, if I wanted to have again the same layout, and if I want to keep the bottom up, I will swipe up to close the top the app that's on the top of the screen. That's it. Thanks for watching. Hope this helps you. It's usually when you take notes, it's really useful for, or even to watch a YouTube video on one side of the screen and have a browser on the other side. Thanks for watching. God anime.